Alright, this is the tile shower floor repair. Ripped out the whole floor, subfloor, everything. Put in, I just scabbed on new floor joists to the old ones. Put in a new 3/4 inch plywood subfloor. Painted it with red guard. That's it. Put the pre-slope mortar bed in. I'll come back in a couple of days and put the liner in and do my mortar bed. Anyway, that's it. That is the shower floor repair. This is an old one. This is from the 60s. That's original shower valve and everything. Actually, the floor was cracked. I got another video on it where it was leaking, but see that grout? Where you see that dark, that is missing grout, totally missing all the way up. All this. And then that was leaking and going back on the wall, so it was not only leaking on the floor, it was leaking right through where the grout goes. That grout had wore out and fallen out, so I'll re-grout that. Everything looking good and working right. Anyway, we'll see.